Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Do you know there are 7 types of people Allah does not forgive? Seek His mercy and guidance. Before beginning, please do subscribe my channel so that your sister gets motivated to make more videos. Okay, let's begin to the topic. The 7 type of people Allah does not forgive. Number 1, the stubborn rejecter. Those who persistently reject faith and refuses to seek Allah's guidance might find it difficult to access His forgiveness. And number 2, the unrepentant wrongdoer. Refusing to acknowledge one's sin and seek repentance may hinder Allah's mercy from reaching the heart. And number 3, the heart absent of mercy. Individual who lack compassion and kindness towards other may find it challenging to receive Allah's compassion in return. Number 4, the arrogant soul. Arrogance builds us to our flaws, making it difficult to sincerely seek Allah's forgiveness with humility. Number 5, the intentionally harmful. Those who intentionally cause harm to others without remorse may need to mend their ways before fully receiving Allah's pardon. Number 6, the habitual liar. Consistently deceiving other and oneself can create a barrier to Allah's forgiveness, which thrives on honesty and sincerity. Number 7, the greedy and selfish. Giving priority to the material gain over spiritual growth might lead to the temporary separation from Allah's forgiveness and blessing. Allah forgiveness empowers us to reflect upon our action and make positive changes in our lives. By seeking His guidance, practicing sincere repentance, and cultivating a heart full of compassion, we can overcome those obstacles and draw closer to His mercy. Remember, Allah's forgiveness is boundless and His love is ever present for those who earnestly seek His grace. Let this knowledge inspire us to continuously strive for spiritual growth and the ultimate reunion with His divine forgiveness. Thank you.